In my last video, I taught you how to install a theme. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to install plugins. But before then, what are plugins? Plugins are just like mobile apps that you will install on your WordPress admin dashboard or on your WordPress website to add certain functions and functionalities. For instance, our website is not ready yet. We are still building it, and I have installed a theme, and then I need to add a payment gateway. I want to accept payments on my website. How do I do that? Should I start writing code afresh as a beginner? No, I don't have to do that. What I will do is just to come to my WordPress admin dashboard, hover around plugins, and then install a plugin that will help me collect payments. Let's say I want to convert this website into an e-commerce website. What do? I will have to do what? Install WooCommerce plugin. Let's say I want to design my page to look attractive to visitors. What do? I will install a plugin that can help me do that. Maybe a page builder like a Thrive Architect, like Elementor. Then I want to create a form on my website. What do? I install a plugin that gives me a form functionality. So that is what a plugin does. Plugin has been created by developers and they are uploaded free of charge on plugin repository for you and I to use. All you have to do is just to plug in and play, install and use. There are paid plugins, there are free plugins. The ones you will see on WordPress plugin repository are absolutely free, and there are places where you can also purchase paid plugins like Theme Forest, Code Kion. So those platforms can sell plugins to you. You import them here and use them, but then there are free ones here. So I'm going to show you right away how to do that. So what you would have to do is, once you log in here, I've done a video explaining how to navigate this WordPress admin dashboard. Please make sure you watch that video before you watch this so that you understand all of these things here. You just hover around plugins here. You can see, when you hover around, you can see installed plugins. That is, you want to see all the plugins you have already installed. Then you can see add plugins. So we're going to click on add plugins here, or whichever, just click on add plugins. Can you see these are plugins that are available for you free of charge? They are doing so many things. You can kind of filter them here. If you click on any tag here, it will actually pop up or bring that particular plugin for you. But 99% of the time, you'll be using the search bar to look for any plugin you want. And there's something I want to teach you here. I will give you a secret, if you watch to the end, a secret of knowing how the best plugin to actually integrate. Just know that when you are installing the plugin, you can also install a bad coded or a badly coded plugin. Once you install that plugin, it is going to give errors on your website and it's going to affect your entire website. So you have to be very careful in choosing the plugin you want to install on your WordPress website. All of them here are not that good. Some are good, some are bad, some are poorly coded, but the good ones will give you good experience. The bad ones will give you bad experience. You can also filter here popular plugins. You can see these are popular plugins. You can see this Elementor page builder you can use to build a website. We are coming to this. This is used for SEO. This is a contact form builder. This is a classic editor. This is WooCommerce for building WordPress website. This is a light catch. So we're coming to all of these, but now these are recommended ones. You know, the ones that WordPress has recommended. A lot of people have installed them and they have tested them. They are good. Fine. If you have favorite, you can do all of that. Let's say I want to install PayPal here. What I will do is just I come here and type PayPal and then wait for it to search. As you can see, these are all plugins that you can install on your WordPress. But can you see something here? This one is not allowing me to install because I need to first of all install WooCommerce plugin to use this. The same thing applies here. Can you see? Let's say I want to add a contact form. The best plugin I always love is this particular WP Forms. I love their plugins. How do you know a good plugin to install? First of all, you have to check the number of reviews they have. Can you see? This one has over 14,226 reviews and they are 5-star reviews. Can you see that this one does not have 5-star? Let me show you. There are plugins you will see their ratings are too poor. This one has 4-star review. There are ones you will see they are very poor. Look at this one. Look at this one, very poor. And if you look at their comment section, you will not like to install those plugins. So you have to be very careful. As a beginner, you have to do thorough investigation and checks. Can you see? Just click on more details here so that you will read in details. That is how to pick a good plugin. Now it has brought forth what we're going to do. Just read about the plugin. Then the most important part is to read the reviews here. What are they saying? People, can you see them? Over 13,000 people gave this plugin 5-star review. Oh my god, that means this plugin is perfect. And you can see the contributors. The owner of this plugin, I love all his plugins. They are always good. He's the owner of WP Beginners, and that is one of the resources I recommend for beginners. If you don't have that blog, if you don't visit that blog, you are missing a lot. This is the author. I always check the author of the blog. I check out everything to make sure the author is a well-known developer that knows what he or she is doing. You can check the reviews. Click on reviews. I use this across 5 blogs. It has been super easy. Can you see? But that is not the ones I read. I always try to read the ones that give 1-star review, like these ones. I want to know why they are giving that particular review. You can look at it. Mediocre plugin underpriced. Maybe these ones, they bought the pro version. You want to check them. But overall, you can see that the number of people saying good things about this plugin are greater than those saying bad things about it. So I will go ahead and do what? Install. If you want to install direct, you can click here to install. If you don't want to install, just close it here. Come here and click install. When you install it, it is not just over. Click on activate, because if you don't activate it, it is not live on your website. Can you see? I've already installed it. So as soon as you install it, you can see that it has been added to your left hand side. So any plugin you add here will definitely appear here, and this place will become longer than it used to be. The next thing you can do is just to start setting it up. You can read full guide on how to do that. You can watch their YouTube tutorials on how to use it. That is the best thing you can do. You can create your first form and all of that, but I'm not going into that because I'm going to teach you how to do all of that. This is just a beginner video on how to install a plugin. So that is that on how to install plugin. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to post a blog on your website, and I will show you a lot of things you need to understand as a beginner. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you like this video and also comment. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. See you in my next video.